Hey folks, it's me again. Take a look at this video. Thanks for tuning in. Jeff Fairson House Homestead. I got some 9-volt batteries here I'm going to briefly show you guys. Take a look at these cool things. So check out these cool batteries by Powerowl. Good looking box, 9-volt battery. There's some data there for you folks who like it. So I had done a video earlier about the Powerowl rechargeable AA and AAA batteries. Came with a charger, and here's just a brief of these batteries here, and I'll put a link to this video here as well for these guys here, and there's a link down below so you can pick up the 9 volts as well as even these rechargeables. These are not rechargeable. They come in a packs of 2 within here. I've already opened this up, so let me just show you these 9 volts. It's a good looking battery, but the only thing I don't like is it doesn't tell you what the milliamps is on it. You know how I showed you with the AA and the AAA? I don't see it anywhere on here, so that kind of bums me out. But outside that, it's a good looking battery, high capacity. So if you're looking for a 9-volt battery that's inexpensive, you definitely want to check out the Powerowl, because they have such a large line of batteries. You know, you get the rechargeables as well as the regular alkalines. So very cool. Thank you, Powerowl, for sending these, and we will definitely find something to put these in. My name is Jeff, and you've been watching Arizona House Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.